So it all started out as a little boy, building things out of wood with my grandfather, who was a cabinet maker. And then I got into electronics and computing. And from there I decided I wanted to do maths and computer science. One of the things I've always done in my career is develop innovative solutions and lead teams that have developed innovative solutions. But the biggest achievement that I'm most proud of is leading the team that developed VNC, the system that lets one computer take over the screen of another one remotely.
Andy is an absolutely unique individual. He's very alert, sensitive and connected to the academic world and can identify interesting things, but then has a wonderful penchant for doing something practical and achieving very large impact.
So one of the biggest applications for the software is providing support and help to people with computer problems. They may be in the same office, they may be in the same country, they may be even in a different country. So it can actually save a lot of carbon miles, it can save a lot of travel. People often ask how a 20-year-old piece of technology and an idea can still be relevant today. Well, it's based on the idea of screens connecting to each other, and there are more screens now around, and that's a trend that's going to continue.